Hey there, this is for an Oculus Quest. There's different texts, so you can have 64 gigabyte or 128 gigabyte on their Oculus Quest. Everything to pull out. This is a remix. There's been some modifications, like this nose piece, and this has been made thinner, and it's been made a bit like more round here to fit in the Oculus Quest a bit better. The thing is ideal for putting it in or taking it out. This is my Oculus Quest. Move the headband up a bit so you can see two lenses obviously. And if you look, there's a ridge actually. I don't know if you can see it here. Yeah, you can probably see it there. There's a ridge there, and I believe that's what this rests on. So it doesn't actually touch the lenses. Just push it in straight as possible, and that protects the lenses. Nose piece helps any light getting in there. Reasonably good fit, as you can see. So protect the lenses, okay. But as you probably can see there, you can get the light on it. There's about 20mm gap underneath. So it's not, no way is it touching lenses. Sometimes it goes in a little bit like wonky. I think it's in a bit wonky there. But that's good enough. And then grab the loop, take it out. I'd like to thank the person who made the original model. This is a remix. I'll put their Thingiverse link here. And I'll put my STL files here for this model. As I said, there's two different models, one nose piece. It's just the same model, just the text different up there really. 64 or 128 gigabyte, depending which model you have of the Oculus Quest. And that will protect your lenses. It's not going to fall out. You can knock that a bit, shake it about a bit. It's in there quite firm, snug, yet it can come out. You also have these holes in the side if you need to sort of grab it with one of them if you want.